Hey, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? I got another video for you today. I will be trying to repair this PC and put Windows and RetroArch on it. I built this computer for a friend approximately about 10 years ago, if my memory serves me. He used it for a while, then it was decommissioned for a while due to some issues that he was having. I will link that video down in the description because I originally loaded OS X on it because he was using it so he could use what's that called, Logic, because most of us was using Logic at the time. So for him to be compatible, I made him a Hackintosh and loaded Logic on it. I don't know what he done to it. All I know right now, it doesn't work. And it is pretty old, 10 years ago, or maybe a little bit more, I don't know. Because looking at the motherboard, it's a Zeus Z87-K. It has PCI slots on it, 3 of them, and 2 PCIe slots. So if that's any indication, I don't know. I can see it has signature brand memory. I don't know how many megabytes it is. I'm sorry, not megabytes, gigabytes. And we have a Lepra, I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly, 500 watt power supply. I don't remember what CPU is in this thing. As soon as we turn it on, I guess we find out. But I do remember it has a 2 terabyte hard drive, Western Digital. Fuck that now. So let me give you a better perspective so we can get started. Okay, this is the first time I'm turning this PC on. Only thing I've done to it is took off the side panel, hooked up a keyboard, mouse, and monitor. Hooked it to this one. So let me hit the power supply. Okay, we have no sparks of fire. We have the indication power light, which is green. And I'm gonna hit the power button and see what happens. Okay, the CPU fan is on. So far, nothing. Still nothing. Let me check the video cable. Let's see. Okay. That's all the way in. That's all the way in. Let me make sure it's on the right port. Yes, it is. So number 1. And still nothing. Yeah, nothing at all. Okay, let me power it off. I'm holding the power button. Okay, finally. Let me just kill it back here. Let's see. Let's try to clear CMOS. I'm trying to find out where that's at. I don't see a button. And I don't see a jumper. What's this here? Oh, there it is. This is CMOS right here, right in front of my face. I didn't see it. Leave it like that for a couple of seconds to clear CMOS. Okay, let's put it back. Let's try to boot the computer again and see what happens. We got cobwebs in it, dust, roaches, but they dead though. And it seems like we still don't have any video. Okay. I wish I had a speaker. It probably beeping the error code. I don't know about it. But let's start off with the memory. See how it's looking. That look okay. And it looks the same. Let's try replacing the memory. See what that do. Okay, it was on. Then the computer turned off. And there we go. We got video. So what's going on with those 3 slots? That is strange. That is very strange. But we can't enter BIOS. Let me check these other sticks, see if they bad or anything, but they may be a problem with those first 3 memory slots. Or maybe there's a problem with the CPU. But while we have this open, let's check what type of CPU this is. Let me get my mouse. Let's see. While we looked at information like that. XMP is this. Make sure that's disabled. Sometimes XMP will cause issues. I remember with my X99 motherboard, it caused issues because for some reason it wasn't supplying enough voltage, and it caused errors until I figured that out and applied more voltage to it. But with the X299, it automatically add additional voltage 1.35. It automatically does it on its own. But let's see, CPU type is an i5 4670K at 3.4 gigahertz. 4th gen, huh? Kind of old. My laptop is a 4th gen. I ain't gonna do nothing. Ain't nothing else I can do. Let me check these memory sticks. Turn the computer off first. That would be bad. Let's put this one in. Wait a minute. I think it's just not 8 gigs per stick. I think it's just 8 gig kit. Let's see. Cause you can see how cheap this computer is. I don't think he would have splurged on memory like that, but he was used for music, but I don't remember. Like I said, this shit was over 10 years ago. Boom, hit that. What socket it is? 11. Looks like it says 1150. Yeah, it's 1150. Let's turn it on, see what we get. Interesting. We get nothing with that stick. Let's try this other stick. Whoa. So that means both memory sticks are dead? Okay, something funny's going on. Because now I'm getting no video at all. And you saw I got video with this. So next, what I'll do is clean the memory slots. Let's see. Let me get a Q-tip. Can I get this up in there? I might gotta get something else. Let's see. Nah, that's really not getting in there like I want it to. But it is some dirt on it. Okay. Now we're gonna put back in the known good working memory. Right now, I'm pretty much on some Kerry Holzman shit right now. Computer specialist. Let's see, turn it off. Let's see what's up. I guess the motherboard just died. Ain't this a bitch? Oh well. I guess this is the end of the video. Okay, it seems like the video is back on. I reseated the CPU, I cleaned the pads, applied new thermal paste, and tightened it down. When I was loosening it, it was extremely tight, extremely tight. Also, I found out after playing Memory Switch Woo, possibly this stick here is bad. Because with it in the system, the computer just boot loops. Don't matter what slot I put it in, it is boot loop. So now let's see. Let me turn the power supply on. Now let's see what this computer boot into an operating system. I think it was dual booting, but like I said, I really don't remember. It's been over 10 years ago since I seen this computer. Press F1, overclocking failed. At least the hard drive shows up. F1. Let's look at some stuff. Because I remembered I was having some issues with my X99 and the memory being unstable until I added a little bit more voltage. I tried that with this, didn't work. So let me put it back to what it was. I'm trying to just delete it. Yeah, no. Where did it go? If I, let's see the mouse. If I just, I just want to do that. Let's see, 1.5, enter. Do that here, 1.5, enter. Okay, that's back. And let's F10, enter, and let's see where it boot into an operating system. The found unauthorized changes to the firmware operating system, blah, blah, blah. Press N to run next boot device or enter directly into the BIOS. If there, go to the BIOS, boot change current boot device into. Oh, I know what it's doing. I know what it is. I gotta turn it for Hackintosh to run OS X on a Windows PC. you have to turn off. Let me see. I find it. I forget what it's called. Should be on the boot. Let's see. Setup mode, easy mode. CSM, compatibility support module. Let's see. I believe I have to disable this. Anything else? I mean, I need to move this mouse from behind this computer. And secure boot. It says change that to other OS. F10. Enter. Yeah, I used to run OS X on my main PC until Windows 10 came out. It was a little bit more stable, so I started running in Windows 10 and it didn't give me no issues. So I moved over to it back to Windows completely. Because right now I'm currently on Windows 11. I know back in the day I used to have so much issues with Windows running different programs, blue screens, crashing. It was just frustrating. And then I started Hackintoshing, and that was some funny shit. Because OS X was running better on my PC than PC operating system. And what just happened? Let's see. Let me turn it off. Turn it back on. Press the power button. Okay. It's just a little slow. You hit F8. See. It has a Windows partition on here. And Mac. Let's see, can't open the Mac. This time I picked the first option. Let's see what'll happen. Okay. I believe it's this one. Okay, we have the Apple logo. Progress bar is moving. And it actually did it. Oh, it got a password on it. What could be the password? Let's see. Oh. Okay, computers seem to be still acting correctly, but I don't have the password to get into OS X. Ain't that something? No, I don't want to be here. You got a Windows partition on here. I want to see what's on that. See, can I get into that? Let's go into that. Oh, seems like there's not a Windows partition on here that we can boot into. I really don't want to destroy the data that's on this drive just yet. I'll probably just remove it and put it in my main PC and try to get into it that way. So until then, I'm gonna use this hard drive. What is this hard drive? Is it big enough? I don't see size. It's not clearly marked. Let's see. Drop blah blah date. So, oh, it's a 750. That's good enough. Turn this off. Okay, now let's install Windows. I was able to find a copy of Windows 10 on my server, put it on this USB stick. Also, while I was at it, I went ahead and got the motherboard drivers. Let me hit that F8. Okay, go down to there. But as you know, there are ways to install Windows 11 onto this 4th gen CPU. I had it on my 4th gen laptop, which is an Alienware 14. There's workaround. Even Microsoft finally put a workaround for us to use. Hit next, install. I don't have the product key. Windows Home or Windows Pro? I guess I'll go with Windows Home. Next. Accept the EULA. Next. Custom Windows install. CC Balacera. Delete. Okay. Delete all the partitions. Now new. Apply. Okay. Okay, next. Copying Windows files. Let me go ahead and wrap up this video because I got things to do. You see here Windows is not activated. I hope you can see that. I'll show you how to do it now. Here. CMD. And run as administrator. Hit yes. CMD is open. I will also put the commands down in the video description. You want to start off with SLMGR. I forget exactly what this stands for. Space /IPK. Please bear with me because I do type pretty slow. Now you need to put in the Windows key for your version of Windows. Since I'm going with Windows 10 Home, so I'll put a Windows 10 Home key in. So that'd be TX9XD -98 and 7V 6 WMQ6 BX7FG H8Q99 and hit enter. Install product key successfully. Hit OK. Next command is SLMGR. I think it gotta be in lowercase. I'm not sure, but let me go ahead and put it in lowercase. SLMGR space /SKMS for space. I'm sorry, space KMS 8.ms guides.com and hit enter. KMS management service machine name set to kms.8.msguides.com successfully. Hit OK. And now for the final command is SLMGR space /ATO and hit enter. Activating Windows Core Edition. And that should be it. But let me make sure everything went through correctly. Right click on this PC, properties. Let's see. Activation, unable to be servers. It still says I need to, maybe I need to connect to the internet. Let's see. Connect to the internet. Okay. Let's see. That could be the problem. I'm not connected to the internet. Okay. Cable is connected. I believe my network drivers are installed, aren't they? Let's see. I don't believe that they are, so let me install them and I'll be right back. Okay, after I connected the LAN cable and installed the LAN drivers, all I did was we typed the last command, slmgr space /AT0. I'm sorry, not AT0, ATO. Windows activated successfully. And let me show you. Let me go to this PC, right click, properties. Click here. Windows is activated using your organization activation service. All right, thank you for watching this video. Like I said, I'm gonna cut it short because I got other things to do. I will be doing a video how to install RetroArch, the ROMs and everything. I'll leave that for another video. Also, how to get into the OS X drive. When I figure that out, I'll show you also how to do that. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If so, subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if you feel that this video is not quite up to par, dislike this video, leave a comment letting me know what I did wrong. I really would like to hear from you. Also, you can follow me on the social medias. The links are in the description.